Me and my friend Steve right here, walking up on this duck right here on some eggs. See if Steve can get him. Duck is right here. Getting pretty close. And, oh my God, he's hissing. Look at him, he's hissing at us. Come on, Steve. Steve.
Coochie coochie coo. Oh, dude, she is pretty mean looking.
Come on, Steve, get her. Ooh, she's hissing. Come on, let's go. I ain't got that much time. Steve's about to get it with the stick.
See that? She ain't even scared of that stick.
She's about to start attacking us.
Here, you grab the baby. You grab the egg.
I'm not grabbing the egg. Push her off. Oh my God. No, you're crazy. Reaching down there. Let's go, Steve.
Just want to pet the ducky on the head. Okay, Aaron, I'll hold her back with the stick. You grab an egg real fast. Get back. Quit being a Mexican. Get in the pond.
Let's go, Steve.
Let's set the video up. We can